Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to kick someone from a PlayStation party chat. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So there's two different kinds of party chats on the PlayStation. Currently, you have open parties and closed parties, and I'm going to show you how to kick someone from each of those. So let's go to Game Base, and then go on over to Parties and start a party. So let's go to an open party and start this up. So anyone can join an open party unless you go to require request to join. So this will prevent people from just joining up when they see your party that's open. They need to go ahead and send you an invite or a request before they can join your party. So you have to give them permission. So let's go to start party right at the top here. And then I'll have my second account join the party. Alright, so Action 6 is now a member of this party. Now you can go to their name with the D-pad and press X on it, and this menu will appear now, where you can change the volume of their voice, see their profile, or you have an option to kick them out right here. So let's press X on their name right here, and kick them out. And let's kick out Action 6. Now they are no longer in my party, and they won't be able to join up again. Now let's create a closed party. So let's go up to start a party right here, and then go to closed party. And I just created a small party with some friends right here. So let's go to Action 6 and search browser and join that voice chat. So Action 6 is once again going to join. Now for a closed party, this is a little bit different. If I go to their name and press X on it, I don't have the option to kick them from the party. Now, if I go up to the three little lines right here, and then go to view group, I can see like the message group where I can send a message to everyone. Let's just say hi real quick, and they're going to receive that. If I go to the three little lines right here again and go to view group once again, it's going to bring me to the message page where it takes up the entire screen. Now, this only works if you are the owner of the party. So I'm the owner. You can see it by my name. And if I go to Action 6 right now, he's currently in the party. And instead of pressing X on their name, this time you want to press Options on their name. So now I have the option to kick Action 6 out of my closed message group. So let's do that. And this player will be kicked out, Action 6. Let's go to OK. And they are no longer in that. And they left the party in the upper right side of the screen. So let's go back to my party by double pressing the PlayStation button real quick. And you can see Action 6 is no longer in my party chat. So that's two different ways for an open party or a closed party that you can remove or kick someone from your voice chat. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.